always required to concentrate on your high priority activities. Remember this one, don't do everything. So if you are trying to do everything, then automatically you won't succeed in your life. Your growth will be very, very low. Your growth by default will be very, very low. So don't some high priority activities only you require to concentrate. And at least one useless activities you require to remove. Next and after that, low level activities you require to, I use one word, low level activities you require to
Eliminate.
delegate. So
Delegate.
useless activities eliminate, remove. Low level activities you require to delegate. For that delegation, one wonderful blueprint I covered. What is that? Delegation, one wonderful blueprint I covered. What is that?
Forces.
Yes, friend.
Playbook and forces.
Playbook with the forces.
Forces.
Wonderful concept. Delegation, playbook with the forces. Happily you can utilize that. Okay, like always concentrate on high priority activities only. Next up, similar activities, similar kind of activities, better to define as the batch. Okay, task batching, you require to do that. If I do similar tasks as a batch, if I can do these activities at a time, what is the advantage you are going to get? What is the advantage you are going to get? Your time is going to be saved, and your energy is going to be saved. Context switching between the tasks will become very easy because all the things are very similar activities only. These are not different activities, right? That's why context switching between the activities will become, okay, very simple, very simple. That's why similar kind of activities better to do at a time.